On today, guys. Today I'm going to show you the difference between a Gen 2 and Gen 3 Pmag. This is important in determining which mag block you need when you're determining which block you need for a 30 round Pmag. Most Pmags you see on the market now are either going to be Gen 2s, Gen 3s. Gen 3s are their newest version. The way you can determine a Gen 3 Pmag is right here. It's going to say Gen M3 for generation 3. And one of the other ways you can also determine if it's a Gen 3, down here at the base plate, you'll see M3. And also the base plate comes off differently than a Gen 1 or a Gen 2. Gen 3s push down, come off and come towards the rear of the bullet or the round. Okay, the Gen 2s will say Gen M2 for generation 2. Okay, and the floor plate comes off differently than the Gen 3. Just push the retaining plate and push the floor plate forward towards the nose of the bullet. And that's the easiest way to determine whether you have a Gen 2 or a Gen 3 Pmags. If you have any questions, reach out to magblocks@gmail.com and rate this video. Thanks, guys.